Yo, what's poppin', fam? Today we're unboxing something that sounds fake, but it's real. Got the Arzopa Z3FC, a 16.1-inch, 180 hertz, 2.5K portable gaming monitor. Yeah, you heard that right. 180 freaking hertz. This thing refreshes faster than my bank app after I buy tech I don't need. Now, first off, let's talk about the name Z3FC. Sounds like a secret military project, right? But nah, this is Samsung's worst nightmare in a backpack. You get a 2.5K QHD display, 107% sRGB, HDR, and a kickstand so slick it makes my laptop jealous. Alright, box time. Cracks open box. Oh yeah, that new tech smell hits different. First impression? This thing is thin, like skip leg day thin. And light, too. Barely over 700 grams. You could literally carry this in one hand and flex like you're holding the future. And bro, when you power it on, oof, that 2560 by 1440 resolution hits you like, why does my main monitor suddenly look broke? The colors pop. Deep blacks, crispy highlights, and 400 nits of brightness, so clean you could game in a sunbeam. Now I'm not gonna lie, 180 hertz on a portable screen, that's wild. I plugged in my PIve, fired up Call of Duty, and it was smoother than butter on a hot pan. No lag, no ghosting, no excuses, just straight clarity and chaos. But hold up, let's not act like everything's perfect. The speakers on this thing sound like a whisper through a cereal box. You're going to want headphones if you're trying to catch those enemy footsteps or vibe with music. But hey, for how slim it is, I ain't mad at it. Let's talk connectivity. You get two full-function USB-C ports and a mini HDMI, plug and play, no setup, no software, no nonsense. I hooked it to my laptop, my iPad, my Xbox, even my phone. Everything just worked. It's like the monitor equivalent of that friend who never asks questions, just shows up ready to chill. Now that built-in kickstand, genius move, adjustable tilt, sturdy build, and when you switch to vertical mode, bro, it turns into the cleanest Discord chat or email screen ever. It's giving CEO on the go energy. You can literally turn your hotel desk into a mini command center. And let's not forget, this ain't just for gamers. If you're a laptop warrior or work from anywhere hustler, this thing's your new best friend. Pop it up next to your laptop, drag your spreadsheets or your game chat over, and boom, double productivity, double flex. Now let's be real. The contrast ratio is 1000 to 1, so it ain't OLED levels of drama, but the colors and detail, fire, especially for editing or watching content on the go. You're getting premium display quality without the mortgage payment price tag. So yeah, the Arzopa Z3FC might just be the most overqualified travel monitor I've ever seen. Portable, plug and play, 180 hertz refresh rate, 2.5K sharpness, and that slick metal vibe that screams, I mean business. If you've ever wanted to game, edit, or flex from anywhere, couch, car, coffee shop, or corner of the airport, this right here is the move. So here's the takeaway. It's the Z3FC ain't trying to compete with your desktop monster setup. It's trying to make everywhere else feel like home base, and it does it clean. Drop a comment. Would you actually carry a 180 hertz monitor in your backpack, or is that just me being extra? And hey, if you like unboxings that tell it straight, no sugarcoating, no tech jargon, hit that subscribe. We roast the products, not the people. Because around here, we don't just review tech, we expose it. Now excuse me while I go test this thing in the park. Because if Arzopa says portable, we're about to find out just how portable really is. Peace out.